Mr. President, particularly on the vault exercise and the floor exercise. I never thought, hindi ko talaga, uh, uh, I would have never thought in my wildest dreams that we will be able to see a double medal gold win in the Paris Olympics in our lifetime, in my lifetime. Nung panalo nga ni Onyok Velasco silver medal, tuwan-tuwa na buong Pilipinas. And of course, we won in 2020 under the stewardship of Ma'am Hidilyn Diaz, where she won 1 gold for us. But I've never thought I'd see the day that we were in the top 20 in the medal board tally of the Olympics with 2 golds, care of one person, one super athlete, which is Carlos Yulo, Mr. President. In the proper time, I know we have several resolutions that were filed. I also filed a resolution with the unanimous consent, sana po, ng ating mga kasamahan, na bigyan din po natin siya ng Medal of Excellence dahil binigyan po natin si Hidilyn Diaz last time, tsaka yung 3 pang medalist ng Japan, ng Tokyo Olympics. And at the proper time, we'll be sponsoring all these measures. We'll be able to sponsor a more detailed resume of what these athletes have done to be able to earn gold medals. And not only them, also we congratulate Nesty Patecio, already having a bronze medal, and also Villegas, who also, Ira Villegas, who also won for us a bronze medal. If you add these 2 golds and 2 bronze, we're even higher than 19 because yung 19, marami dun po, before us, only 2 medals, or gold medals and nothing else. So we'll even go higher in the bracket medal ranking.